All right, y'all, here's our 27 Dauntless. This is a 2020 model by Boston Whaler. Starting in the front, we have the windlass anchor right there. You can see the length of the boat. This boat does have a 9-foot beam, so trailering it, it is a little over the legal limit. You should get away with it, at least in Texas. There's not cops that hang out with tape measures and pull people over. But something I want to point out to you, there's the dive door. Since it's next to the dock, I can't open it up, but it folds down there. Has a nice boarding and exit ladder. This boat was equipped with the 225 Mercuries on the back. Fun fact about this boat, you can run it and get up on plane on one motor. You have your ski pylon right there. And you have the back bench seat. Under the rear bench seat, there's plenty of room for storage under there. We typically put the trolling motor batteries down there if you want to add a trolling motor. There's your boarding and exit ladder for the dive door. Then, when you're not using that, close it up. You got a huge deck back there, plenty of rod holders, cup holders, all that good stuff. This does have the Elite leaning post on it, with the very large live well. Blue finish in there, so it's nice and clean. Freshwater sink, and you have a Yeti cooler down there. Moving to the helm, you have your tilt steering wheel, your Lenco trim tab controls, digital throttle and shifts. This is cool because you can actually push one lever down, use one lever to control both motors, or you can use both of them in tight situations when you need to dock and everything like that. Mercury vessel view display, you have your Fusion head unit, JL audio speakers throughout. You have an electronics box up top, light, nice little canvas bag where you can put your safety equipment. You got 4 rocket launchers up there. Moving over here, inside the helm, you have your head, or really it's just porta potty and storage. Those rods right there are actually rods that you can hook up your bow shade to. They hook up to those little things right there. And gives you shade all the way to the front of the boat. The poles actually go into those rod holders in the front. So I was telling you about the lounge area in the front of the helm. It's about 5 feet long, very comfortable, right in front of the helm. Oh yeah, and the storage under here. Massive amounts of storage down there. There's actually steps so you can get in and out. Then you have rod storage in there. This is lockable. Then you have your filler cushion for your casting platform. All these cushions remove. So if you're fishing, you can definitely do that. Both sides have flip-up backrests. Got your Fusion stereo remote right there. So if the co-captain in the front of the boat wants to change the channel or turn it up, she can. Plenty of room.